Hey everyone, this is Marjorie, and I'm giving you a quick update on the Almendras del Pais project. So we actually have started processing some almonds, and Karina, say hi.
Hey!
So we got the machine going here a little bit. As you can see, that big boy, and then, Karina and I actually built a whole shelving unit here for drying the almonds, and so we're really just starting to define the process and get things going a little bit. Stay tuned next month and we'll give you another update, but progress is happening. And by the way, if you want to contribute, there's a link down below to donate PR. We could really use your support because we need to get a new set of gears for the machine. All right, talk to you later. I discovered the panaderia just across the street. It's deadly, man. Kimber, not Kimber. Why do I always want to call you Kimber? It's like they've got these theoretically maybe sort of good for you. We're gonna do the tops, right?